When I tell you this brownie is ooey, gooey, and chewy, the little crispy ends on the side, I about done myself. In this video, I will be showing you how to prepare Brookie brownies my way. These brownies are oh so delicious and definitely not nutritious. I will be cutting corners by using store-bought cookie dough. I'm going to use ground coffee to enhance the chocolate artificial flavor, Pillsbury fudge brownie mix, water, oil, parchment paper to prevent sticking, flaxseed powder to replace 2 dairy eggs, and limited edition Brookie Oreos. This variant flew off the shelves within a couple of days. I bought and tried them on a Monday, and at this point I haven't eaten Oreos in about a year, so when I tried these, I literally ran to the store like a crazed woman the next day to buy more. They were that good. Unfortunately, they were sold out, so I've been savoring and trying to stretch my single pack of Oreos. This recipe requires 2 eggs, so I will be combining 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed and 6 tablespoons of water to stir and combine the flaxseed powder and water. You want to let this set for 7 minutes. While that's doing its thing, you want to prepare the parchment paper, prep the cookie dough, and then you want to flatten them. I'm using a 13 by 9 dark coated pan in 24 cookie dough chunks. Here I'm trying to flatten the cookie dough chunks with a spoon, a spotted spoon, and some butter because they were sticking to my fingers. But in the end, I ended up just using my fingers. Next, we're going to, wow, that looks like a struggle. But next, we're going to add the Oreos. They're sparsely put them on the pan, and we're gonna prepare the brownie mix. We're adding the oil. I did not have a 2/3 measuring cup required for the oil, so I added 10 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons of oil as the equivalent according to the internet. Here I'm just mixing all of the ingredients, hoping for the best. The brownie batter looks thicker than a bowl of oatmeal. Once all the ingredients are combined to make the brownie batter, I scoop the brownie batter on top of the cookie dough and the cookies, and then gently press them down to cover the cookie dough. Then I added, this is optional, but I added a couple of chocolate morsels or chocolate chips on top to zhuzh it up a bit. The brownie box gave a range for baking time. I typically go with the median number, so I baked this for 29 minutes at 325 Fahrenheit. 29 minutes later, this brownie has raised quite a bit and is piping hot. The golden brown cookie base is peeking through in the corner. Hello. I decided to let this cool for a couple of hours before attempting to shimmy this bad gal out of the pan. Someone was getting impatient, so I let it rest for 2 hours and 30 minutes. I recommend 3 hours. It was definitely worth the wait. This brownie has a flaky exterior and a chewy, gooey interior. If you enjoyed this recipe, I have another delicious recipe worth trying linked in this video. I am coining this the Brookie Brownie Inception. If you have any questions about this recipe, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.